Hi guys, are you getting enough downtime? Are you spending all your time massaging and not spending any time on yourself? Today, that's what we're going to talk about. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Rants from the Face Cradle. I'm Sinead.
I'm Krzys.
And yeah, we're going to talk today about what you do in your downtime and do you get enough time to yourself. So, Krish, how about you? Have you been, because you've opened your new clinic lately, have you found that you've had much downtime, much time to yourself, or you...
What's a downtime? Downtime. What is this?
This is probably really bad timing, actually, for you.
It's a really bad timing, but actually, I'm surprisingly doing better than I thought it will. Well, it's always, when there's this saying, if you do what you love, then you don't work a day in your life.
Yeah.
Not true. Completely not true.
What, not true? You're not enjoying it?
No, I'm loving it. It's just, you as being your own boss, self-employed, and yeah, you just do so much more than, the work day is never like, let's say 8 to 5.
Oh, yeah.
It's just constantly something. So it's true. It's really hard to kind of be, have a regime or be strict about yourself. And actually, you know what? I'm chilling. I need to relax. I need to, have a me time. And I have to say, like in the beginning, when I started, it was really hard. Because I thought, in the beginning, I just need to work. I need to do this, that. I need to work, get clients, booked up, whatever they want. And just kind of not care about myself. And what I did, I, burned myself out so many times.
Paid the price.
I paid the price for exactly not listening to my body. Many times we're not following the advice we give to our clients.
Yes.
And it's really, really bad. And especially now, exactly, I have my mobile business, running BusyHive, making those videos. I opened another clinic. Have a family, have a kid, have my sports I do. And, it's really hard to find some, the downtime or me time. But exactly, things like sport.
Yeah.
Hobbies, this as much is still physical, but is my downtime.
It's different physical though.
Yes.
Because you don't need to think. Because when you're massaging, you are thinking, although you do tune into the body and you go with the flow, you're still thinking, oh, that's there. Could that mean that there's a tightness here? Is my client okay? Are you warm enough? You're not thinking about yourself. You're not thinking about what you're doing.
Yeah, and let's be true, sometimes we think about other stuff, because that's life.
Well, yeah.
As much as we try to be in tune in our session, give everything. But exactly, if you're running quickly in your session, you not prepare yourself, and your head is full of stress and everything else, and you don't have the time to relax and get ready, prepare your space and yourself for the session. Your mind's just going over and stressing about things.
Yeah, that's a really good point, actually. If you're not getting enough downtime yourself, you're trying to create that while you're with a client. So you're not giving them the best because your mind's too full because you haven't been able to offload it somewhere. That's a really,
exactly.
A really good point.
I think very important is to really set yourself a schedule and be strict about it. These days I used to work till really, really late. Now, 10 o'clock, that's it. Regardless how much I still have to do, 10 o'clock is a cutoff, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it, nothing more. Then after this one, I either spend some time with the family or, with at home, just, just hang out with my wife, or do some chores, still, or just relax.
Yeah.
Spend half an hour of stretches or something, just something.
Or read a book or watch a film or
read a book or
anything.
Anything.
Just gives your mind a break.
Which is not work.
Yeah. I mean, I do find I get drawn in sometimes because a lot of my clients work full time.
Yeah.
So when I get home, they're getting home, and that's when they want to contact and ask about a massage or, you know, changing appointments, and it's hard to not answer.
Yeah.
And as soon as you answer, your mind goes into work mode, you know, which, yeah, it's tough, isn't it, being your own boss?
It's really
You
tough,
can't
and you know,
switch off.
but you can't be always for everyone, and that's really bad. I think
Yeah.
one of the first thing it was I didn't answer the phone after 7.
Yeah.
That's it. No emails, no phone call. Like, you know, we obviously when the friends, then yes, but no, like, you know, numbers and everything. Everything went to the answer phone.
Yeah.
And then I, you know, dealt with that next day.
Yeah, totally.
So, you know, it's definitely set up yourself a schedule through the day. Let's say, you know, you only work and reply from 10 till 7.
Yeah. The thing is, if we were in a clinic and employed by someone, if you were working, say, in a spa, they can only contact you at those times anyway.
Exactly.
Just because they've got a hotline straight to the therapist doesn't mean you have to be on call 24 hours a day to answer people, because everyone is willing to wait. Everyone has their own lives, and I think sometimes if you're not quite as available, it can, as long as you are ringing them back, it's not like you're leaving them for days or anything.
Yeah.
But I think it gives more of a professionalism as well.
Professional impression that, actually you're busy. You can't, you know, and, you know, leave the nice, I think one of the things is to leave the nice answer, the message on the answer phone. In a sense, like, hi, do you reach, you know, this and this? And I'm, you know, sorry, I can't take your phone right now, but I'm busy with the clients. Please leave the message and I will reply to you as soon as I can.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Simple, professional, to the point.
And
you know, sometimes you do get missed calls. It happens. It's life. It happens with your friends and family, you know. So clients shouldn't take preference over something. But yeah, I think it's... But what do you do for your downtime? When you do get some, when you make some, when you schedule it in and you stick to that schedule.
So at the moment, really, exactly, I'm really strict with the regime, especially my little boy now starts school.
Yeah.
So there's lots of new changes and a schedule. And so, you know, my downtown is very strict. And so either in the morning I, you know, exercise, which give me, kind of prepare me for the day, clear my head, so give me some ideas for the day. As well, you know, on the evening through the day, I'm always trying to find a half an hour between the clients when I'm just going out for the walk to the park for the coffee, somewhere outside of scope of everything. And literally, I started to leave my phone in the car, just no phone. I know, and I
bet that feels really weird.
That's a big one for me, seriously.
Yeah.
I can truly say I'm addicted to the phone.
Yeah, I know I am.
And then I'm just, you know, trying to challenge myself with the new things because I know it's control us.
Yeah.
And I don't want to do that.
So is that why you didn't answer the phone to me?
Exactly.
Or is it just because my name popped up? You're like,
Well, yeah. She's again, damn it. So that's, you know, find the time during the day for the lunch, or sometimes you just get out, do something, go for the walk.
I think that's really important, like you were saying, getting outside. So even if you are just walking to the local shop and back, or just around the block, just getting outside from that environment. It's not enough to spend, I've got 20 minutes in between clients, I'm going to sit and, you know, read a book in your clinic environment. I think you need to get a different approach. Even if it's hammering it down with rain, put your coat on, hood up, and just get out there and get some fresh air.
Get some
fresh
fresh
air. I think it's really good for your mental health as well.
Definitely.
But yeah, I must admit, I find the same. I'm finding it really hard to allot time to do something for me. So I've been going to the gym at like 6 o'clock in the morning because that's the only time I can guarantee I'm not going to book something else in.
Yeah.
But it's hard, isn't it? I tried to get into yoga, and there's one yoga class which is 5:30 on a Friday. which I love the class. It's absolutely amazing.
5:30 in the morning?
No, in the evening.
Yeah. I was like...
But the thing is, you're trying to get there, there's traffic, and there's so many reasons not to go. But I have to really force myself to go. And it's really tough. But I know I need to do it, so...
Yeah, you really have to, because, you know, you can overwork yourself, overdone yourself. That's a burnt out. You're starting to don't like what you do, and struggling. It affects your health, mental health, your family, everything. Seriously, guys, I've been there. I done this. Have a t-shirt. It's not very nice. I threw it away. And then, it's really, really important to find the time for yourself.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think we can more or less sum that up, that, make sure you do find downtime, so you do stay interested in what you're doing. I think it's really important to have a variety of things going on, but just make sure that you're not overdoing it. You are getting a decent night's sleep. You're looking after yourself. Eat properly. Drink fluids. Stay hydrated. That's
stay
really
hydrated.
Important.
Yeah, if you know what we're talking about, there's a link
we'll
above.
put the link below.
Yeah.
But so guys, look after yourself. Find something you enjoy, book it in your schedule and stick to it, and make sure you do that thing for your downtime, because you can't look after others if you're not looking after yourself. I think that's really important to remember.
And let us know in the comments, what do you do for your downtime? What's your ideas? What's, things you figure out, or hacks and tricks to get this, your body and mind nice and relaxed for a day? Put them in the comments and share them. We would love to hear about them.
That would be really good. That would be really nice, because like I say, we both do exercise, but is there something else, knitting or something? I don't know. Why you laugh? You never know.
Knitting.
Have you tried?
Yeah, I did actually.
Yeah?
That's a different video. Guys, like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell, and we're gonna see you at the next rant.
We will see you soon. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.